Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we will make a very nice and very cute elephant. You are now telling me now how you like my drawings in the comments. Please let me know how you like my drawings up in the comments. Please watch my video and let me know if you like my drawings. Share, like, comment, subscribe and press the bell like button so that my videos can easily viewed by you. Thank you all friends. Now let's move on to the video. We will make drawing on this sheet. With this marker color we will make the drawing.
दूजे से हुए जुदा जब एक दूजे के लिए